Okay, so here we have the engine. As you can see, it's not very good. So, if we come over here, I'll show you the condition of the water pump. Sorry, of the water pump. Look at that, rock solid. Absolutely fucked. So there you go. And here we have the thermostat housing. Look at that. After all, the car has been standing for 7 years. Rotten. So that needs replacing. So we come over here, you can see that the radiator has been removed, but seems to be clean inside. I flushed it and it seems to be okay. Well, this is a little bit of good news. So this is my garage. As you can see, everything's a mess. Getting back to here, well, there's two things that could happen here. One, I take this engine out and refit it with help. And two, I just buy a new motor from Moss. Moss have already quoted me a price on this, and it works out to about £2,079. But then I have to bring it over from the UK here to Gibraltar. I thought I was going to be driving it around this weekend until we started it up, and lo and behold, we had an oil leak. So if we go under here, you can see all that water, and over there's the oil leak. So it's probably coming from the seal from behind the engine, which goes to the clutch of the gearbox. However, God knows what else I will find once I get this thing out. So I'm still thinking about what to do. As you can see, I've been in the process of refurbishing the whole car, because this car belonged to my dad, who's now deceased, and basically he left me a box of bits. Had the dash out, done all the clocks, need a new steering wheel, that's pretty grubby and rubbish. I'm going to try and see how much it costs to get some new carpets, and I've done all the side panels, all new, all fitted, new chrome bits, refitted the screen. The dash has been done, which was all cracked, as you can see. It's now absolutely perfect. A lot of work, a lot of work. How? Over here, you see the side panels. Go to the boot, you see these Securon seat belts, which have been fitted, which I don't particularly like, but you can't get original. The strange thing about these is that they work. They work very well, I think. Yeah, there we go. They work very well, but have two knobs that go on the top, which are for some sort of adjustment, don't know what, but they didn't work. So I took the seatbelt to bits and I made them work. So now we have two seatbelts. As you can see, they're either two left-sided ones or two right-sided ones, because the knobs, which are over here somewhere, here we are, these things are absolute rubbish. I don't know what they're supposed to do, but the seatbelt works better without them. So, this is stage one. I thought I'd be driving it, like I said, this weekend. Got a rally, but obviously not. Here's my chrome bumper conversion from rubber bumper to chrome bumper. That again, a lot of work. You see the infills, absolutely perfect. I must say, I've astounded myself. The only thing I didn't do was, which came with the kit, was weld this bit here, because I didn't really want to start welding after I'd painted everything. So what I did was I took it off, made some brackets, bolted it from the inside, and as you can see, it looks better than new. In fact, I'm very, very impressed with that. The painting was done obviously by a professional, but there are some things that need to be done by professionals. There we go, see? And it is absolutely perfect fit. So, here's my 1977 MGB Roadster. And basically this is just one of quite a few videos I shall be doing. I think I'll be posting them on YouTube, if I can suss out how to do it, because I'm not very computer literate. I'd just like to say that this is going to be a long job, especially as I've never taken out an engine before, and I know fuck all about nothing about rebuilding an engine. So there you go. Anyway, this is Brian Dignam signing off from his garage here in Gibraltar. So, until we meet again, bye from now.